as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. We're now returning to our own time at the Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay Main Street, USA.
I've been stuck on that caboose for 3 days. So yeah.
Around Walt Disney's Magic.
Well, you know, I've made it to Disneyland
The Grand Canyon
on the Disneyland Limited.
World.
Okay, so I decided to take an old-timey trip down Main Street, but look where I got to go. I'm in the driver's seat, for crying out loud. I've never done this. Hey, look, it's me. Hi, guys. This is awesome, but the one thing I don't understand is how come there's no windows? Didn't buses like this in London have windows?
Folks, this will be a one-way trip up to the castle. Remain seated at all times. Thank you. Yeah, this is a standard manual transmission, so we have 3 pedals down there.
I thought that one of those 2 pedals was the gas.
No, it's this one right here. The one on the far left is the clutch.
Man, this is old-timey.
The middle is the brake.
Wow.
Once again, welcome to Main Street, USA. My name's Dominic. As we travel through, I'll point out a few things. On the head to our left is a Fortuosity shop. They have fine watches and jewelry. And to the right-hand side, the Market House, folks. There you can grab yourself a cup of Starbucks coffee. We are coming to a quick stop over here, folks. Please do remain seated as we pull off to the side to get out of the horse's way. Again, remain seated, please. Thank you so much. Continue our adventure down to Sleeping Beauty Castle. Off to the left-hand side is the oh-so-delicious Carnation Cafe. Stop in to enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner, depending on your time of arrival. And up ahead to the left, Main Street's very own Penny Arcade, where a penny, nickel, or a dime, you can have a whale of a good time. On the right-hand side is the Silhouette Studio and Crystal Art Store. Folks, that Silhouette Studio has been right there since the park opened back in 1955. And the very last shop to the right-hand side is a photo supply where you can view or purchase photographs taken by Disney photographers. Down this alleyway to the right, you'll find the Plaza Inn Restaurant, historic Red Corn Dog Cart, Lost Child Center, Baby Care Center, and First Aid Center. And straight ahead from us is Sleeping Beauty Castle, the entrance to Fantasyland that leads to Toontown. On the left-hand side of the plaza, the entrance is to Adventureland, Frontierland, gateways to New Orleans Square and Critter Country, and to our right-hand side, the entrance to Tomorrowland. Well, folks, we are approaching our one and only stop up here. Please do remain seated till we come to a full...
I got here nice and early today. I think it's about 10 a.m. I guess. I don't know. Hey, look, Gaston. Anyway, Shirley's coming right now. I know that you guys have been wondering where she's been. So she is coming, by the way. Oh, such lovely ladies. Anyway.
Yes. Now, Casey,
Let's get this show on the road, or track.
All aboard!
I can't do German, I'm
All
sorry.
aboard! All aboard! Let's go!
coming down the track with the smoky stack. Hear him puffing coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and cracker jack. Casey Jr.'s track, Casey Jr.'s track. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and cracker jack. Casey Jr.'s track, Casey Jr. Oh, and guess what? And guess. We can just stuff them in our bags and take them home with us.
He's not doing long. He was here for the last 10, 20 minutes.
I feel like we're being watched. And I was right, we are being watched. Here we go! On to Neverland! Come a wonderful time, any very little fun. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, something over the reindeer in the sky. You can drive, you can fly, you can fly. fly, you can fly. Up you go with a high and high to the stars beyond the blue. There's a Neverland waiting for you, where all your happy dreams come true. Every dream that you dream will come true. When there's a smile in your eyes, there's no better note to smile. He's not coming, give it up.